Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I'm going to put the water pump impeller back in this lower end of the force motor, and I'm not going to mess with any of this lower end. I put the bolt back in here, filled it with epoxy. It will not leak, and under here, where you can see, maybe right here, where they put a new drilled a new hole, tapped it and everything I'm just going to use that hole. I sometimes overdo it, when I get involved in projects, and then I just go. And what can I say? Sometimes mess them up pretty bad, And this time, nope, I'm going to half-ass everything and see how that works for a change. So that's what I'm going to do. Just take it, don't overdo it, and just do it. After this has dried here, I'm going to put JB Weld and smooth it all out, and you'll never even know she was there. So, I'm not messing with that. That's just, why? Why would I mess with that? They put a new hole in for a reason, for a drain plug. Let's not mess with something that's already done, right? So let's get involved here in this good old, I got to get that off of there. The water pump impeller. So, how am I going to do this? I see there is a gasket in between there. I'll have to take a look at that. This was inside. It's nice and warm. Right now I got it in the garage. Well, yeah, the garage at work. So, take this off. And, there we go. I got that off. So, we're going to get a better look at this. I don't think I have a new seal for the top there, unless it's in that kit. I didn't want to lose my, I lost that pin. How did I do that? Oh man, sometimes I'm stupid. Luckily, the new kit came with a new pin. I have no idea where it is. Let me look around. So there we are at the new one here. Oh, it's quite a bit taller. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Luckily, I did order another one. Okay, so the other one I ordered will fit. Man, that other one is way not for this. Oh, hopefully that'll fit now. Oh, great. Let's take a look here. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, I sure wish I hadn't lost that other one. I don't know where it went. Okay, well, I'm in a hole now. Darn it. And I put it back there. Oh, maybe I put it in here. 1 second. Well, if you look around long enough, you find it. Wow, that is very fortunate I found that, because that thing was pretty well gone. Okay, gonna need some light up here. So what I had to do was I got her in there, and I'll push her down to the bottom. Actually, I don't want to do that yet. I'm gonna put some a little bit of grease on her, so it's easier for me to get her on when I put that cap on. Well, there we go. I got some grease on her. Lathered on her a bit. Not too much, You don't need too much. There we go. I got her down. Now I might put a little bit of grease inside that cap there. Well, there's always an easy way and a hard way to put these on. And I always choose the hard way, I think. But I wish I had my stand with me here, and I'd show you what I was doing. Maybe I can get this propped up on something to show you. Well, we'll try that. So I'm I'm holding the casing here, so I can spin it around here, and I'm turning it as I'm pulling down. And there we go. And that is because I used a good old little bit of grease and some, well, you know, and I'm not taking the rest of this thing apart because I don't think there's anything wrong with it. So that'll do that for today. And the next time, I'm going to finish off this area here, get a new bolt for down here, a better one to seal up, and I'm going to fill her up with some gear lube. So, just a short one for you today to show you what I was doing here and getting this all hooked up. Looks like I did a good job. Turned it the right way, hopefully. I'm pretty sure. I'll have to make an effort and look at my other video to see which way it came off because I wasn't paying attention, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah, next one will be fluid, some other stuff. Oh, there you go.